Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. Clear It Out is a challenge that I gave myself, and my friend Kathy, who is Stampin' Cat on Instagram, decided to join too. The 12th of every month, I'm bringing you a video and showing you what I cleared out and what I worked on this month. I identified 18 paper collections and also some categories. My pet stuff was overflowing, my postage stamps were out of control, and now I'm thinking I probably need to add red, white, and blue to this, and I discovered that during my spring cleaning. I have a lot of things going on where I'm trying to get organized and thin things out. It's not necessarily about what size paper I use or what product, just pet stuff got identified as a category. I have 14 cards here to show you. I made these for the dog rescue. So they have just a paw print on the inside, and they could be to thank someone who donated to the rescue. They could be a card for somebody who adopted. They could just be a card that she has sitting around and she sends to someone because she's so busy saving all the dogs of the world that maybe she doesn't have time to run out and get a card. I did some rescued is my favorite breed. This one says in my heart and has just the paw print inside. I thought that was cute. And I think Noni or some of you gave me these fun backgrounds. And this one I played up the pink. I know, shocking for me. And I was really clearing stuff out. I didn't die cut for these or anything. These dogs were from my friend Noni that she made before, and I used a bunch of stickers that I had in there. I was going through and saying, what can I use? And then some of these other patterned papers, I was at the beach and I had forgotten to bring a layer. So I used what I had. Look at this, so much cuteness and just really cute accents. I've been throwing all of the lovey or super sweet kind of togetherness things into my pet bin that I might not use otherwise. Like I won't put them in a journal that says, best day ever is when we're together, or love you, or that kind of thing. So those are my 14 cards, and they will go to the dog rescue. In fact, I'm going to go through my stash and see what else I have for her. And in case you were wondering, I have not made any progress on these journals. I haven't even touched them since the last filming last month. But hey, this could be the week. It could be the week. Maybe I'll work on these. I left myself notes. I need papers in the pockets. Need paper in the pockets. So I know what to work on those. And then I'm thinking about digging into my red, white, and blue and thinning that. And I have a postage stamp mess around me also. So I am making progress. It's just when you've let your stash get away from you a little bit, it takes a while to get it under control. You know who you are. All right. Thanks so much for watching. And I hope that you are clearing stuff out if it's bothering you. This is not for the stuff that you want to hoard forever and that stack of beautiful paper on the counter that makes you happy. If you have that, I'm not judging. This is stuff that I want moving along. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Stampin' Cat on Instagram. Bye-bye.